Hello everybody, it's Trucker Productions. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lock. You need a knife, any knife, but flat, and a thumbnail. You have to place it in so that, look, there's still a little bit of space left. And then you see, like in doors, there's like a little slit right here where you can put your knife in. So what you're going to do, gonna put it in the slit. Okay. Stick it under the thumbtack. And then that's all. I know this was a short video, but yeah, it's useful for stuff people to annoy you. And this is my room, so there won't be any sound at all. Well, that was the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Subscribe and bye.